I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to start trading altcoins on Coinbase, follow these steps to get everything set up properly. Step 1. Create a Coinbase account. If you don't already have an account, go to the Coinbase website or app and sign up. You'll need to provide your email, create a password, and verify your identity. Step 2. Verify your identity. After signing up, you'll need to complete identity verification. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID and possibly a selfie for security. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This typically involves linking your phone number or using an authentication app. Step 4. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you can add funds. Navigate to the Assets tab, select Add Funds, and choose your preferred payment method, like a bank transfer or debit card. Note, if you choose a bank transfer, it may take a few days for the funds to appear. Step 5. Start trading altcoins. With your account funded, go to the Trade section, select the altcoin you want to buy, and enter the amount. Confirm the transaction to complete your trade. Now you're all set to explore the world of altcoin trading on Coinbase. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask. Happy trading!